Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on the Kraken Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you open up and use the Kraken Wallet application, then you will see that it is using the default mode that is provided to the application based on your phone settings. Now you can also choose the settings from within the phone, but if you need to enable dark mode right from the home page, then you can simply drag down the notification panel and drag it down once again to reveal more settings. Scroll to the right and you will find the dark mode option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now if you turn this on, then your phone will follow the dark mode by default. You can toggle this option on or off at whatever time you wish, and when you go back to the application, it will also follow the device layout. And there you have it. That is how you can enable the dark mode and disable it if you want at any time on the Kraken Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.